everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm literally going to be doing the last fall nail look of the season. I actually got this look off of Pinterest and I loved it, and I thought it was very indicative of fall. So I just decided to recreate it, especially since the brown nail look is so trendy this year. So as you can see, I have this beautiful brown, almost like colorful glitter acrylic that I'm applying to the baby nail. Now this acrylic can be found on my Etsy page. So if you all are interested in purchasing this, I will leave a link down in the description box that'll tell you how you can get your hands on this baby. But this glitter is like, and if you go to my page, I actually have three different types of brown glitters, but this one is personally my favorite because it has like red and yellow and blue and green reflexes, but it's overall just brown. It is a fun fall brown that I love. Now I'm going in with this brown acrylic, which I purchased from Glamic Glitz. I will actually leave the name of it in the video if it hasn't already shown, but I'm placing that on my ring finger as a base layer, and then I will do the same thing for my pointer finger. So the next nail is going to be white, and because I don't really want to use a white acrylic powder, just going in with my clear Young Nails acrylic, and I'm placing that all over the nail. Just find that when you do a clear base coat, the structure is a lot better. It's a lot easier for you to maneuver. Just find that the cover powders, they take a little bit longer to dry, and I'm like a quick worker. Like, I can't stay still. Like, I have to move like pretty quickly, so I need my stuff to set pretty quickly. And I also just like strength. I ended up just making that nail clear, and then I'm just gonna polish it white. I also feel like it just comes out better when it's clear and then you put a polish on top. Lately I noticed, especially since I've been using a lot of decals, that when you're encapsulating nails, whether it be that you're encapsulating them over a decal or you're encapsulating the nails over another color, the colors just don't come out as vibrant. And so that's another reason why I like to just do a basic color at the bottom and then place a polish on top. But I'll tell you this, the top coat and the polish on top will mess up a great set of acrylics if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't do it right. Because putting 2 to 3 layers of polish and then putting a top coat on will mess up all of the work that you did when you filed those nails to be the shape that you needed them to be. I mean, I've seen times where someone did some bomb shaped acrylics, and then once they finished, it was just like, what is going on? Because they put too many layers of top coat on, and it just ruined the shape. So if you don't want to spend a lot of time uh, filing and everything only to turn around to throw on top coat and polish and ruin your shape, then I probably wouldn't go that method. But hey, each its own. I'm still learning. I do keep all of those things in mind. So I kind of just try to pick the lesser of both evils, and whichever works for that design at the time, that's kind of where I go. But I just throw both scenarios out, and you are just free to do or to use whichever one you like. Oh, and sorry about the camera and everything being out of frame, but if you haven't realized what I was doing, I'm just encapsulating all of the nails to prep me for filing and to give the nail structure. So I ended up filing the nails off of camera, and if you all are anything like me, I know that you don't want to see a segment of me just filing these nails. So I had to save you from that. Anyhow, I'm just applying dehydrator as well as primer to the nails to prep them for the polish, and I will then go in with a glossy non-resistant top coat for the baby nail, to bring out all of the colors of the glitter. And then I'm actually gonna matte top coat all of the rest of the nails, with the exception of the middle nail, which I will actually just place about 2 to 3 coats. I think I did 3 coats of white polish on top, and then I went in with the matte top coat. And once everything is fully top coated, I'm going to take my Beetles polish in the color 966 as well as 965. I'm going to apply a little bit of acetone to each of these colors, and I'm going to use this as my marbling effect. Now, this is a great way to do marbling if you don't have any marbling ink, or if you don't have the color that you need. But what I like to do is just dilute the gel polish just enough to where it's just like watery. And then I'll take just a brush and just kind of place that all over the nails, and then use a little bit of acetone to kind of move those colors around and put them in the position that I need to do. This look is so easy to do, it's cost effective, and you can honestly use any color that you have in your collection to make this marble look. And once you get the desired effect, just pop it under the lamp for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then place your top coat on top. So this is the finished look, and I absolutely love it. Now, I ended up changing some things around because I mostly forgot how the original set looked, but nevertheless, it's definitely a copy. Now, make sure that you sound off in the comment section below and tell me what you think about this look. Let me know if I got it or not. Thank you all again for joining me in this episode. I hope to see you all next time. Bye. Oh, last thing, raffle winners. Yes, if you purchase from my Etsy shop and you're currently following me, then today is your lucky day. I'm choosing 2 raffle winners in this video, and I'll also be doing a raffle for all of my YouTube subscribers. So if you were able to make a purchase in October or November, I'm throwing both of those raffles together, and I'm selecting 2 ticket winners today. So the lucky 2 ticket numbers are 233409 and 233414. So if you are the lucky ticket winner, please email me as I will be gifting you $25 worth of nail decals. For more information on how to enter the YouTube giveaway, please check out the description box below.